Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be hacking this app called Aviator Predictions, which is version 8. Okay, so it requires you to buy a code. Okay, but I'll be getting the code for free. I will be hacking it, to say for free in this video. You learn it here. You see it says wrong password. Okay, so now let's dive into the video. So if you need any more information, you can contact me with the number on the screen. Okay, so now I'll be using MT Manager to do the work. Okay, so how to start afresh. Let's start afresh. So now let me just use MT Manager, then go over this place, this section. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then once I'm there, I go to extract APK. So once I'm there, then I'm gonna locate the app I want to crack, which is this one, Aviator Predictions for version 8. So that's the version, and then click on extract APK, and then click on continue, click on locate. That's all. So now here's the app. Just need to tap on it here. So here is it. Tap on it and then click on view so that you do the needful. View and then click on classes text and click on text editor plus and click on select all, then click on OK. Then go back to the place that's called string, then click on filter, and then you make sure this word which in here, when you just need to put a wrong password to get this code, which is called wrong password at the downside. Then once you put it here and then click on OK, then if you bring out this thing for you, here's the wrong password, and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you click on search and then click on wrong password, and then here is it. So here's the wrong password, so it means the code will be somewhere here, especially this place. So you need to click on 0x1, that's what you need to write there, 0x1. Then boom, we are good to go. Now let me save this by clicking on save button, which is up there. There is it. I've already saved it. So now move back, then nail it by knocking its hammer, which is this hammer here. So let me nail it. So if you need any information, just hit me on the number on the screen. So let's move back, and then click on OK to modify the app. Okay, so now let me just move back, then click on it, install, and then install the package. So let me update it. I'm updating it, which is to correspond with the good one. So already done that. So my number is showing up on the screen. If you have any question or any information, or you want to get something from me, you just need to message me on the number on the screen. Let's talk business. So now let me open it, and then once I open it, it still asks you for the password. So I'll just put a random number, any number, and then click on OK. It will, so I made a mistake, so I have to show you something here, which is this app. And the same app, just click on the classes text, do the same thing you did before, click on OK, then go to string, go to filter, click on OK to forget wrong password, and then click on search. So click on this. So note, we've already changed this thing from 0 to 1, which is 0s1. You have to do this here too. So you see this is just says if quiz, it should be if nice. So let me just change it. Okay, so write any, that's it. Now save. Okay, save, then move back, then write it as same as we did before, then click on OK, then move back, then install it again, install, then update. So let's wait. Also don't forget to hit the white subscribe button, and then make sure you follow for more. Make sure you message number on the screen if you need any question or any other thing. So now click on Aviator, then click on any random password, and then it was automatically opened, and then it asks me to activate Aviator V8 for hours. So now click on activate Aviator V8. Okay, so I've already hacked it, and then this is the main page. Okay, so you need to click on here that says activate Aviator V8. Okay, the number I imputed in the listing is just a random number, which means after you've hacked it, any number you impute on the code section will automatically log you in. Okay, let me show you guys what I mean. So let me just bring out the Aviator. So here it is. Let me click on it and then let me write any random number. I can write comma, then click on OK. Boom, you see, click the button again. So now click on activate and then read this thing carefully, click on OK. And then you just need to put your ID number only. If other things, just put your one win ID number or any of these button you're using. So let me just input this number. So that is it. So that is the number. Then all you need to do is now just click on activation. Once you click on activation, it says make sure you follow the rules. Did you follow the rules? I click on yes, and then boom, everything is being done with the ID. I will now click on start. Okay, so if you need any information, just chat me up with the number on the screen. So it's loading, and then I think I'm having a network issue here. So let's wait for it to load. You can see. So I mistakenly pressed it 2 times. That is why the number changed automatically faster. So let me click on another one also. So you can see. So I already pressed another one too. You see. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe and also like this video. Don't forget to chat me up on WhatsApp if you have any message. See you guys or my next video.